Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about what is Remitly and how does it work. Remitly is a digital remittance service that allows you to send money internationally from one country to another. It's designed to make the process of sending money abroad simpler, faster, and more affordable than traditional methods like wire transfers or physical money transfer locations. The core of Remitly's service is its mobile app and website. You can use either to initiate a transfer. The process generally involves a few key steps. First, you create an account and specify the amount of money you want to send. You will then choose a recipient, which can be a family member, a friend, or anyone else you need to send money to. You'll need their details, such as their name and contact information. Next, you select how the recipient will receive the money. Remitly offers several options, depending on the country. These can include a direct bank deposit, cash pickup at a partner location, mobile money, or even home delivery in some places. The cash pickup option is very popular, as it allows the recipient to get the money without needing a bank account. After selecting the delivery method, you'll choose how to pay for the transfer. Remitly accepts various payment methods, including bank account transfers, debit cards, and credit cards. Once you've paid, Remitly handles the rest. They use a network of banking partners and financial institutions to process the transaction and deliver the funds to the recipient. One of the key features of Remitly is its transparency. Before you even confirm the transfer, the app shows you the exact exchange rate, the total fees, and the estimated time of arrival for the funds. They also offer different transfer speeds, often referred to as economy and express. The express option is faster but may have a slightly higher fee, while the economy option is slower but more cost-effective. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.